this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a new user account for your website. Starting in the account dashboard here, we're just going to go over to Settings and Account. We're going to hit the Users tab, and we're going to press Create New User. We'll put in our first and last name here, and an email address. This will be used to log into the account. And we can choose our access level here. So the master level access is going to include billing and purchasing functions and access to the website builder, basically all admin functionality. Sales rep is going to give no access to the website builder, billing, or purchasing. It'll only give access to the inventory, lead manager, and window sticker printing options. So we're going to do sales rep for this one. Put it so the access never expires, and hit Save Changes. You can see our new user here. They'll get an email sent to this email address. That'll give them the temporary password to log in, and a link to the admin panel login. And that's all for this tutorial.